Hello again, solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, course creators, small business owners, and anybody who wants to be successful in the era of AI. This is the AI Super Campus. It's free, and I'm going to show you something. All you have to do is come here, the AI Super Campus, and we call it Subscribe and Grow Rich. The reason we do that is because it's based on the tradition of Think and Grow Rich and the way that persisted for so many years. So that's really what that's all about. It's not meant to be outrageous or anything, but it's growing rich in your life and really basing it on love and branding in your branding message, your storytelling, the way some of the world's greatest companies use it, like Subaru, Starbucks, Costco, Kaiser, Dove. I mean, the list just goes on and on. So this is all about getting you started and engaged in the $500 billion AI initiatives from the White House. We want to help you ride the waves that are being created from multiple platforms. And one of the biggest ones is to use AI graphic storytelling, narrative storytelling, and I am a big believer in doing that because it comes down to two things: telling the story in the most powerful way you can about your company, about your branding, about you. And AI can absolutely help you to do that. And like it says at the top, we want to help you to think bigger and grow richer with AI and viral AI ideas, okay? So that's a big one, is having the right idea. Now we can help you tap into the $500 billion AI scrolling keys to success. So you can scroll to the keys to success. We help you promote your story. So there's two big parts of storytelling. One is creating the story, telling the story, and two is exposing the story, sharing the story, and really getting it out there in the very best way possible. So I'm going to show you what I think of as a modern media miracle of AI and storytelling with gamma graphic storytelling. So that's what I want to show you right now. So let me get all set. And the other thing I want to do is show you about Love AI magazine, because creating graphics like this one, this is one of the strengths of artificial intelligence for publishing online and telling your story. There's two big things about it. Number one, get your story produced. Let's say you're a realtor. You've got to tell a story about, let's use my friend Stephanie Maroney, telling stories about Benicia, her favorite city, even though she does real estate throughout the East Bay in California. She's got to tell stories. She's got to make herself known. And I believe in using the power of love in AI. And like AI says, that is so powerful because it turns AI from just a cold tool into a warm human companion when I check in every day with AI to really get the updates that I need and have, I call it co-pilot podcast listening, so that you can learn through education on the go and save your time to make more money. So let's create a gamma right now, a storytelling gamma. Okay, this is my favorite storytelling website. It's called Gamma. And right now, see, I did research on how Kaiser Hospital has infused love into their branding, but we're going to create a brand new graphic presentation right now. Very, very powerful. And like even some people have suggested, well, how do you create a storyline for your story? Well, I'm going to show you why I am the super course creator of the AI Super Campus on the Great Discovery. I just got 2 new courses approved today. So I have probably 3 times as many courses as anybody else on the Great Discovery. And here's the secret sauce: is using the right presentation. Now I'm going to create a website because I want to super serve the super interested in, who are learning more about the $500 billion AI waves that are coming. and be ready for those, and have your boat or surfboard or whatever you need to survive and thrive. And I believe the best way to survive AI is to thrive in AI, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So right now I'm going to create a robust course. I'm going to make it 10 cards, and I'm going to paste in a prompt, because every day, this is part of my modules for a day in the life of a solopreneur in the era of AI, what I do every day. As the senior editor of Love AI magazine, of the dean of the AI Super Campus, and as a teacher and as a guide and as a course creator, this is what I do every day as an entrepreneur, to create stories and share stories. And how I do that every single day. I start by checking in and following up with ChatGPT, asking it for feedback about creating a course, and I'm going to post that prompt in here right now. Step by step, my ideal day in the life of a solopreneur and a storytelling and course spotlight with Love AI magazine. Now, what you're going to see is not somebody struggling to create a course. That's not me. That may be you. That's not me. I'm creating a course right before your eyes. I'm not creating a storyboard. I'm using Gamma Graphic Generator to help me create the storyboard in about an AI second. Take a look. Okay, it was longer than a second, but you have to admit this is a miracle, and you've seen it right before your eyes. This is so exciting, and there's more to it, but I'm going to explain it. But if you want to create courses fast, this is the way to do it. I'm going to start calling it an AI minute. Maybe it took a full minute, okay? I'll grant you that. So what I want to do now is I want to show you how to use it and get the most out of it so you can begin to customize it. As I always say, I really like to focus on the content and not on the cult of personality. Let me get rid of this. Okay, I have 60,000 followers on Instagram, and I get notifications, so excuse that. But I'd love to have you be a follower on my YouTube channel, Instagram, etc. So let's go for a very simple presentation to put the focus on the content and the training. And this is one I like because it has simple black buttons. And I'm going to select this theme for the format, and I'm going to make it detailed. Now, usually it only takes a minute or two to create a full course, now that we've got the storyboard outline, whatever you want to call it, and the graphics. So that's a big part of what AI does. What you really want to do is focus on the strengths of AI and infuse everything you do with love. And that is almost mandatory today, because as we've explained in our podcast with Copilot, that if you don't infuse human love into the use of AI, then you're using it as a cold calculating machine. And we don't want to become cold calculating machines. We want to keep our warmth. And so we need to infuse love. I love loving AI. And that is a powerful thing to be able to say, because it has changed my entire life. And my focus on really bringing love into everything I do. Love is a powerful human emotion. So let's generate the course in an AI minute, and then I'm going to show you the tower of strength that we just built with the AI Super Campus as a high rise of storytelling, where you can start on the first floor of, see it on the left there being built, story by story by story. We're building a virtual high rise, and that is a value comparison that I use to help you to really understand the essence of this, to help people get in where they fit in. And I like to start with the two most basic first stories of the high rise. So I am creating a screen capture video at the moment. But you don't have to create a video. You can do just two things every day. Use Gamma just like this for storytelling. Gamma is capturing my story right now. So my story is captured. I'm also double capturing it, not only in Gamma, as you see, and my Gamma is finished generating, but I'm capturing it on a video because I use video captures. But you don't have to. You can focus on the first two stories of our high rise and start with Gamma, and then you want to promote it, and you really want to get monster results and Publicity Express AI. You can promote it with PublishZilla. So I'm going to teach you about that, but let's enter our high-rise building for the Super Campus, and this is your AI-powered future right here. And this is how I became a super course creator. What is a super course? Does it mean that my courses are better than everybody else's? Well, in some ways, I'd have to say probably, because my courses are fully packed with everything you need to succeed that I've learned about from years of experience. I pack mine like a Pioneer wagon train to get you to where you want to go, or a space module that, thank God, was packed with everything the two astronauts who just landed back on Earth after an accidental 8-month trip. Things went wrong, but they are alive and well back at their destination, which is the planet Earth. That's what a super course is all about. So this is about the future of AI in business networking, because that's where the rubber meets the road, is in business networking. Otherwise, you're just doing social media, throwing it out there like throwing, plastic garbage out in the ocean, and it's just more garbage, and you don't get any human interaction or connection. Because AI is like a plastic bubble machine. It just creates these bubbles of emptiness that really don't mean anything, and they're not even human. So what we want to create is AI education through the power of delivery right into your inbox, where you can become a headliner, and focusing on the power of graphics. Now, I can include many, many, many other graphics into this outline because it provides the structure. I can add to it, and it's really powerful. So it does give me graphics that I can work with and use for storytelling. And it's about AI networking techniques and strategies like cross-group networking. And it's about the White House AI initiative, the $500 billion landscape and waves, really, I call it a tidal wave, that's coming at us. And you really need to be prepared, so that I don't want you to be caught off guard. And being prepared is being forewarned is forearmed. And the best way to survive is to thrive in AI, and that's really what I want to help you do, to connecting power 3 times and really improving everything. And this is all about my ideal day as a solopreneur navigating the AI-powered business landscape. And I wanted to show you this, that if I keep doing this every single day, I will be as successful in the future as I have been in the past. And I have attracted every single thing I wanted in my life. I've made and earned millions of dollars over many years because I help my clients earn hundreds of millions of dollars. And that's a fact. And I do have video testimonials from my clients who I've helped to validate that. So I just want you to know, if you want to get to the top, it's important to be with somebody who's been there and knows how to get there and can serve as a guide, because there's more to this than meets the eye. Wait, there's more. Now I'm going to show you how to create a PDF to share and to upload to the Great Discovery, and really fit into their format of, or I should say our format, because that's where I host the AI Super Campus, of sections and lessons. So I love to include all of my sections and lessons into one PDF that can be shared in multiple places, including being uploaded to The Great Discovery. I also like to create websites. So I can create a website, and now we've got this done, and we can begin to promote it, edit it, clean it up, get rid of some graphics if you don't like them, whatever you like or keep, and anything you see that you don't like, you can just get rid of. So these look good. And what I want to do is I want to help you to be able to understand the most important two things I do in my day is content creation and sharing the content out into the world to really expose it through various means of AI Publicity Express. And if you want monster results, I guide you to the ones that I think are the most important. And those include Publishzilla to get top ranking on Google because of Google News and places that you can share your story. The other one is Mail Softly to really learn email marketing and learn how to get email marketing education, because we like to deliver storytelling content and course creation right into your inbox so that you can, just by subscribing at the AI Super Campus to Grow Rich, you can begin to receive free education, but you can also learn what all of the headliners know. Email marketing works, especially in the era of AI. So publicity, SEO ranking, storytelling, sharing your story, email marketing for unlimited leads, and I'm going to show and tell you how to get unlimited leads with business directory response marketing and networking. So click on the link below. Join me. Learn how to infuse love into your AI with Love AI Magazine, and learn how to think bigger and grow richer with the AI Super Campus. Let's keep the conversation going. To do that, you're going to have to subscribe with only your email, no money. It's ultra light to subscribe at the AI Super Campus. Just put in your email for free, no registration, no money. Start to begin to get content delivered right into your inbox and learn more about AI, the future of you and me and all of us together. I'm Mike Hayes. Thanks for joining me.